It's nail mail time. Hello nail peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. We have our April Mani by Me box and I'm ready to open it. I believe this one was storm themed, or not storm but weather themed. I'm excited about it. Let's do this thing. We're gonna open her up. We got some tape going on. I feel some tape coming. Got one side open. Got the other side open. Let you have a look. Okay. Oh yes, this was definitely the weather one. Okay, let me pull everything out of the box. Got a nice wrapped up version. We'll look at these first. This is everything that's in the box. I kind of already remember, so pause it, have a look if you like. Ooh, and here is our tutorial. Eye of the Storm, Manicure How-To. Embrace the chaos and beauty of Mother Nature. Weather-inspired manicure. Perfect for spring showers. Okay, and on the back, it gives you the tutorial about how to complete this. You're welcome to pause there and have a look. I will be doing another video on this tutorial, so that will be coming later on. But let's see what's inside. Oh, ooh, that's a new sticker. That, my friends, is a new sticker. Shape up. I need to redo mine, y'all. Mine are looking rough. Anyway, that is a great new sticker, so I will definitely be using that guy. And our extra plate, our extra item this time is a plate. So these are the two that came with it. This is MXM077 and MXM078. So on 077, you can see that we've got, Monday through Sunday forecast. We've got sunset, rainbows, clouds. This is, I think, the entire world. That's kind of cool. That's a great one, not just for weather. We've got some nighttime stuff, and I think this is the one they're going to be using in the tutorial. Some rain showers, things like that. And then MXM078, sorry about the glare. We've got some snowflakes. We've got some hurricane looking stuff. What is that? Oh, these are like current flows, right? Maybe? I'm not sure. Sun peeking through. Oh, we got them tornadoes. I'm from Oklahoma, so there you go. We definitely gonna be using that one. Oh, this is a cool one with the raindrops. And this is really just pretty, let alone weather stuff. Okay, and we've got some lightning in the sky. That looks really, really cool. And then the extra item is an extra plate. So this is M279. We've got rain or shine, my favorite weather, extremely hot, so cool. Different clouds, umbrella, stars, and then just a whole umbrella, rain, different wind blowing kinds of things. So, oh, hell no. That's funny. Today's forecast, not looking good. That's funny. Feeling under the weather. Aww. Okay, so there was our extra item, is the extra plate. So we have 3 plates this time in our Mani by Me box, but we also have 2 colors. And I think the colors were a blue and a gray, if I remember correctly. But let's eyeball them and we will swatch them and see what they look like. Yeah, oh, pretty. So both of them are kind of shimmery. Although I bet when you put them on, if you paint a whole nail, it won't be shimmery at all. Anyway, they are called Cloudburst and Droplet. Okay, so we've got gray skies and blue skies kind of thing, I think is what's going on there. Let me get some nails ready and we'll paint the color on before we swatch it as a stamp. Okay, got my 2 falsies and we'll start with the color Droplet. Just see how that one coat looks. I bet both of them are going to cover in one coat. Although Droplet maybe looks like it could use a second coat. You could probably get away with one, but I think 2 coats would be better. Okay, so there's Droplet after 1 coat. Yeah, I think 2 coats is definitely going to be better. Okay, now we're moving on to Cloudburst. This was that grayish color. It almost has a purpley tint to it. So it's really pretty though. It definitely does have a purple tint to it. And although I think you could probably make it pass in some areas with one coat, I think 2 coats definitely would be better. It's kind of starting to fill in. You can tell I've added a little too much right there on the edges. Too much on my brush, but I mean, for 1 coat, they both look pretty good, except for where I missed over here completely. That's nice. How nice of me. Okay, so I'll go over with a 2nd coat later on. Let's go ahead and swatch these as stamps. I grabbed my monocle stamper. I use the same stamp for all my swatches so they look uniform. And we'll start out with the blue color. What was this one called again? Droplet. Droplet. Okay, get this out of the way. Boom, pick up, place on. Moving super fast, like it just looks like a super baby blue. Although over black looks very different. Almost purpley, kind of over black. Really baby blue over the white though. Very pretty. Nice color to have. Let's clean up and then do the other one. Okie dokie, a little bit of acetone. Making things pop up in her. And then we're moving to the Cloudburst color. 1 Cloudburst coming at you. I'm curious to see if you're going to see any of those shimmers in there. I noticed them a little bit when I was painting the entire nail, but usually with a stamp you don't see those detailed shimmers. Okay, looking just rather, gosh, almost looks like a black. I mean, really. Let me go, I'm gonna grab a couple of grays and blacks so you can kind of compare. Okay, let me get this out of the way. So this is the Cloudburst color. This is what came with it. And you can tell, here is the straight up black, my favorite black. And then this one is a gray called Folklore. So it's a really dark, dark gray. It does not look like that from the side of the bottle at all. So it's almost like, it could almost pass for black. But not as, sometimes it's too strong of a difference. So yeah, I think it could pass for a subtle black, but it could also look gray in certain situations. So yeah, there we go. We have our colors. This has had a little bit of time to dry, but I bet I need to give it some more time. Let's clean up some other things while we're waiting. Oh, yeah. And we'll go ahead and put another droplet on. Oh, I got something on there. Oh, okay. Well, I can tell you one thing. It's dry-ish, but not super dry. And I got something on there, so. Okay. That is a really, really dark gray. Can you tell the purple shimmers? Like, you can see them super clearly when I do this. You can't really tell them on here though, can you? I guess if you hold it a certain way, and what it looks like on camera isn't necessarily what it looks like right in front of my face, but okay, let's do no, this is not Cloudburst. This was the Droplet color. This is a really pretty baby blue. And honestly, for spring, it's a great blue for spring. Okay, I do think you really could have gotten away with 1 coat on either one of these, really. Okay, now for the Cloudburst. Don't be needing you bursting out of here. Okay. Really, really pretty, but super, super dark, almost past for black gray. With purple shimmers, which you can't even really tell. Okay, so that is your April Mani by Me kit that we've got. We've got the 2 colors that are Droplet and Cloudburst. This is what they look like swatched. We were given our tutorial card and our information card, so we've got both of those. And then we had our 2 plates, which were MXM077. Oh, poople snaps. Look at that, y'all. That's okay. I'll fix it later. We had our 2 colors, our 2 plates, which were MXM077 and MXM078. Both of them were very weather focused, weather themed. And the additional plate, the additional item this month was M072, and again, it had weather all over it, which was kind of cool. So that is your April Mani by Me. I will be doing another video about this Mani by Me kit. I will be doing the tutorial card, so we'll get a little sneak peek into what this, how to create this kind of thing right here. Okay, peeps, if you love Maniology as much as I love Maniology, then you might want to go over to their website, www.maniology.com. Use my code GrooveMama and you can get yourself 10% off your order. Also, people, if you want to follow me on Instagram at GrooveMama, that could be fun. If you wanted to subscribe to this channel, that could be fun. Like, you know, let's just talk about nails and stuffs, okay? And until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got.